Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I'll be creating this look. If you guys would like to watch how I did it, please stay tuned and please subscribe and like this video. Yes, so let's get started. So I'm showing you that this is a blank canvas and that I'll be creating that look in this eye. I'll be first taking my P. Louise base and what is the number? Rumor 1. I'll be taking that and just placing that all over my lid. I usually like to have a white base, so if I do any colors like this makeup look, I want the color to pop. So while I'm blending, I want to ask you guys, what do you guys like to watch or see or would like for me to create a look? I'm doing this voiceover just because I focus more on my eyeshadow and not so aware of what am I talking about, and so I'm doing this. But I don't know if you guys like when I talk about in the voiceover, or would you like me to explain to you guys from start to finish? So just let me know down in the comments and let me know if you guys like it like this. After that, I'll be taking this palette. I was watching a YouTube girl and she brought this palette and I was hooked because of the colors. They were super bright and they were also matte, something that I like shadows to be matte. So I'll just be taking that yellow eyeshadow and packing the color in. I'll be taking that flat shader brush because I don't want my shadow fall out all over the place. I'll be taking this, I guess it's I don't know what's wrong, but it's not like a red, it looks red, but it's more like a dark maroon, has like a little bit of an orange undertone, but I'll be taking that and placing it right next to the other one. I like always to pack it in, and this one's a flat brush. Don't use a fluffy brush because it will put all the product all over the place and then you'll get dust all over your under eyes, and that is not cute. So I'm just trying to marry those two colors, wiping motions. And then I'll be taking this kind of has a pink tone. It's like a pink combined with a little bit of purple. I'll just pack that one in the last little piece that I have missing. Again, I like to just pack it in, and then since this one has a little bit of more of the lid space, I'll be taking a fluffier but still tapered brush, and I'm just gonna do the windshield wipers, which you just go back and forth, back and forth. With this one, I try not to reach all the way by my, like right by my eyebrow, just because since I really have small eyelids, if you could see the yellow of the bottom, I really don't have that much space to work on. Sometimes it's a good thing, and sometimes I wish I had more space so I can create better looks, but I mean, you work with what you have. After that, I'll be taking the P. Louise Rumor 1, and I'll be taking a very flat little brush because since I have, again, little lids, so I have to work smaller pencils and brushes. So this is what you call cutting the crease. A lot of people are scared of cutting the crease, but this is like one of the best ways you could create different eye looks. This product is a little bit tacky, so once you put any glitter, any eyeshadow, the product's gonna stay, and it makes it more like a sharper look. So I don't know, it gives it like a different, instead of just putting just eyeshadows in your eyes, you know, like you could just put any glitter, any pigment, any eyeshadow, and that product that I just put, that BEAUTIES, will make it pop. And from there I'll be taking purple, and that one I'll just putting it just on the lower lid, because I really want to kind of have that like rainbow look of colors. When I put with the other flat brush, I take this fluffier brush just so it won't be too harsh and precise color. And this one's pretty funny, since obviously I have a green screen in the back. The color that I'm using, it's green, and it's just the same color that's in my backdrop. So it's a green color, it's a green eyeliner, and this is my Morphe mascara. This is a blue mascara. I've always loved the blue mascara because it gives it a little different look also. But with that one, I'm just gonna be placing that mascara on my natural eyelashes, not on the falsies. So, and then also for the eyeliner, I'll be taking the Morphe Jet Black. This one, I really like that one too. It gives a matte finish. I hate glossy eyeliners just because it looks tacky. It doesn't look sharp, and plus it doesn't. I'm so used to always having black matte eyeliner that once I try glossies, it just doesn't suit me. My personal preference is jet black matte. So with this one also too, I'm just gonna take it just a little bit. I don't want to do the eyeliner too big, and because obviously there's a lot of going on in the eye, especially the colors. Once I'm done doing the eyeliner, I have these boxes. These are amazing. These I got them at the Morphe website, and these are you get 10 pairs of different styles, and these I think these are like the most natural looking eyelashes. They're I think the number 3, and it's better because you don't have to just get one pair of eyelashes. It's actually 10. So that one I got at Morphe website. And to finish up this look, I'll be taking my highlighter, Rodeo Drive, and I'll be putting that in my inner corner, and I'll be completing this look. If you guys liked and would like more videos like this, please like and comment down below.